I got the Grinch meal. Keith got the American one. I got the Canadian one. I'm in New Brunswick right now. I also got a double filet-o-fish. And so, let's try it out. Welcome back to Tidings of Comfort and Joy on N Media.
Have a holly jolly Christmas. It's the best time of the year.
I'm super hungry. Super hungry. The box is cool, isn't it? And inside this box, you get the Grinch socks. I got some last year as well. You get the Who Hash Bites. They're McDonald's made tater tots. Thought you got sauce with it too, but I guess you don't. And they didn't even give me any fucking ketchup. Maybe it's in this bag. I got the Big Mac with it. I also got a double filet-o-fish because I'm hungry and I love this one. Let's get into her. Yeah, I didn't even get any ketchup. Okay. Coke Zero. I fucking love it. Let's try these Who Hash Bites. McDonald's made tater tots, hey? I think they did this once before. They called them new, but... Oh. It's pretty much little hash brown bites. Well, this is the sloppiest Big Mac I've ever seen. This pickle's hanging out and this one fell out. Put those back in. That's messy. I'm in a rental right now, so I don't want to get it messy, you know? So good. Oh, that was good. That was very good. Should have got a large drink. What was I doing? Excuse me. So far, I'm impressed. Oh, these are good. There's like a lot of them too. Oh, very good. Very good. So fucking good. I tranced out for a minute. I love the packaging. It's so cute. Because I'm a fat ass, I'm also going to eat this double filet-o-fish on camera. Excuse me. Nothing was really made right, was it? It's just... It's like... There's fucking sauce everywhere. Oh man, starting to get full. I thought there was supposed to be some sort of shaking packet, some sort of fucking Grinch salt or something that I guess I didn't get. Well, that sucks. ultimately, them not giving me the Grinch salt brings the score down. And as I record this, I haven't actually seen Keith's video yet. So I have no idea what he scored. I'm not even sure if he got the full meal. I think he did. So obviously his score is going to be more than mine. Which means that I guess we're going to have 2 videos this month of the same thing with different scores, and that just shows how the consistency, like how much it ranges from country to country, right? Plus, you have to take into consideration that, sure, Keith is in a completely different country, but I'm also on the other side of the country. You know, like where I usually am, I'm a lot closer to Keith. Does that have anything to do with it too? He's in California. I'm in British Columbia. Right now, I'm in New Brunswick. I'm literally on the East Coast. 16, 17, 1,800 kilometers. I don't know what that is in miles. It's storming out. It's blizzarding out here. Oh, shit. I'm going to have to get back soon. There's a blizzard coming in. It's good. It's good. The tater tots are good. The Big Mac is good, but they didn't give me the fucking Grinch salt. The dill pickle Grinch salt. That's like the whole thing, right? Isn't it? Are you not supposed to shake those things up in dill salt? So I'm going to have to give it... They're missing items. I love the sock. I would probably give this meal like a 15 out of 16 ampersands usually, and I have a feeling that Keith also rated it the same thing. Whose video is going to come out first? I don't know. I'm going to have to give it marks off for missing the Grinch salt. Fuck it. I'm going to give it 13 out of 16 ampersands. It was still really good. I love a Big Mac. I know people are like... Whenever they're like, what's your favorite fast food burger? And I say Big Mac, people are like, what do you mean? I mean that I like it. It's that simple. Excuse me. Well, until next time, go over to YouTube and check out Keith Perry's channel, Soapworthy Productions. He does soap shoe grinds over there. It's super sick. His channel it's getting views like on Instagram. I think he had like 300,000 or 400,000 views on one of his videos. It like popped off, bruh. That was pretty fucking cool. So go check him out over on YouTube, Soapworthy Productions. You can also email us at endmediamail@gmail.com. And don't forget, we're posting every day this month, including the weird days between Christmas and New Year's. So, with that, until next time, Merry Christmas.
It's the best time.